Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you are good. So I hope you are doing well. In the earlier classes we have completed how should we express express the sentence in a different way by using may. How to rewrite the sentence by using the different situations they have given. Yes, like giving permission, taking permission, and those all. Yes. So today we are going to see the third bit. Read the following sentences from your lesson. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach. The above sentence express unreal past. Yeah, see. Put the finger so that you will understand where I am reading. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach. So what he is thinking? I wish. That means he is thinking it could be there. So I will feel free. Like that he is wishing. If it could be there, I will be very good. Like that he is feeling. So, what is this? This is an unreal past. This is past tense. So, what it is? It is an unreal past. Why it is called an unreal past? Because it could not be real. Already the past has finished. Yes, no? What is past? The finished day he is thinking. So, this cannot be real. This cannot be again come. So it is called as unreal past. Okay. Unreal past. Are you getting to understand? It's called as unreal past. Okay. So how could you explain the unreal past? How we will use? We will use wish plus subject plus what? Past tense. So what is unreal past? It's an past tense which has happened and that cannot be happened again. That cannot be happened again in the future. Yes. So it's called as unreal past. So wish plus subject. The subject is a thing. See, by examples I will explain you. Okay. The subject is main thing. Okay, the subject is main thing. Yeah, with for whom? What we are explaining. That means what the incidents are. We are explaining. For example, I could wish I could have a bike. I wish have a bike. I wish I could have a bike. So here, I wish is we are using it as a wish, and here I is called as subject. Subject. Why this I is called as subject? Why? Because this I, that means this person, he is thinking about the wish. He is thinking about the wish. So here, I is the major thing. He is main important in this sentence. Yes, that's why it's called as subject. I hope you have understand, children. So now we are going to start our objective. See, you can see some sentences are given. You have to fill the sentences by using wish plus subject plus past. Yes. So now express the wishes of the people mentioned below using unreal past. What is unreal past? This is called as unreal past. Wish plus subject plus past. Yes. So here, see the sentence number 1. Sindhu has missed her school bus. She has to go to school urgently. Sindhu has missed her school bus. She has to go to school urgently. She wishes to have a car. How would Sindhu express her wish? See, actually Sindhu was going to school. So what has happened? She missed her school bus. So she wanted to go to school very urgently. So what she will think now? She is thinking that I wish I could have a car. If I could have a car, I can go by car. Like this, the Sindhu is thinking now. Yes, you people also will think in some situations, no? If you don't have, see for example, you are playing a cricket. Your friends are playing a cricket. So you went to your friends. You asked to your friend, please give me the bat. I also wanted to play. So he said that your friend said that no, I will not give you the bat. So what will you think in that situation? If I could have a bat, I could play myself. You think like that, no? Yeah, like that only this is thinking. So she wanted to go to school urgently, but she missed her bus. So she's thinking that if I could have a car, I used to go in the car. So here you have to rewrite the sentence by using the unreal past. How will you do it? See. So here what are the things you need to have? Wish plus subject plus past. So this is called as unreal past. So see the first answer. See, I am giving only the answers. Okay, you have to note it down in your classrooms also. So how will you rewrite the sentence? I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. Yes. So how will you describe? I wish I had a car. So how you are writing this sentence based on this wish plus subject plus past? Here I wish is wish and here had a car is past. See students, had is a past tense, had, and have is a present tense. What is the present tense? Have. What is the past tense? Had. Yes. So this is called as past. And what is this sign? This is subject here. Yes, this is subject here. So the next one we'll see. Second one, Anita wants to abolish the system of exams. She wishes to be a prime minister. How could Anita express her wish? So Anita wants to abolish the exams. What is abolishing? Abolishing means removing. Yeah, eliminating. Abolishing means eliminating. So Anita wants to abolish the exams. So what she is thinking that if I could be prime minister, so I can abolish the exams. Likewise, she is thinking. You people also will think like that only, no? Alright, Baba, what are these exams? I don't want these exams. If I could be CM or prime minister, I could remove these exams. You think like that, no? Yeah, likewise only Anita is thinking the same. Yes. So how will you write a wish? How will you write a wish? So what will you do here? Wish plus. So again, what is subject here? We cannot write every time as Anita, no? So in that place, we are saying about Anita only, no? So we are expressing that what Anita will think. So Anita will think as I. Yes. If we wanted to say about some person, we will use he or a she. But here, what we are doing? We are doing that how she will express about herself. So here we will use I. Yes. So I. So this I is called as subject. This I is called as subject here. So I wish I were the Prime Minister. This were the Prime Minister. What is were? That is past tense. If I could wear. If I were. Like that you use. What is were here? Here the were is past tense. So this all sentence is indicating the past. So here it is past tense. Yes. Here it is past tense. So see here. I wish plus subject is I plus past is were the Prime Minister. So Anita expressed like this. Yes, I wish I were the Prime Minister. Yes. So the third one we'll see. Srinu's father has a car. He wishes to drive that car, but he doesn't know how to drive a car. how could Srinu express his wish? Okay, so Srinu's father is having a car, it seems. Yes, Srinu's father is having a car. So Srinu want to drive a car. Srinu want to drive that car, but he don't know driving. So what he will wish? He will wish that if I could know driving, I can drive the car. Yes, no? You people also will think like that, and see. For example, you wanted to drive a bike. You people are 7th standard, no? So I think you will get bike in your mind only. Yes. So you think you wanted to drive a bike. Your father is having a bike, but you don't know driving. What you will think? If I could know driving, I could go in a bike every day. Yes, I could roam on the bike to my friend's house. Yes, you think like that. So he's thinking like that only. His father is having whose father? Srinu's father is having car. Srinu's father is having car. But Srinu wants to drive that car. But he don't know driving. What he will think? How will you express his wish? See. So what we have to do here? I wish. Here, this is a rule. We have to use it like this only. This is a rule actually. What is unreal past? Wish plus subject plus past. This is a rule. Okay, this is a rule. You have to follow this rule only. Okay. So I wish. Next, the subject is again I here because every time I will only come. Why? Because this is an expression of wish. Not for others, it's for yourself only. So how will you wish? I only will wish like, yes, if I could have a bike, if I could know the driving, I will drive. Like that you think you will express your wish as I only know. You will not use he or she, yes. For you, if you say about other person, you will use he or a she, yes. So here the I, this is a subject here, yes. Could drive a car. See students here, could, would and everything these are would, these are called as past tense. Yes, these are past tense only. So here it's called as past tense. If I could, I wish I could drive a car. Here I wish is wish and I is subject and could drive a car is a past tense. Yes, could drive a car is a past tense. Next, the fourth one. Sharmila wants to play tennis, but she doesn't have a tennis racket. How would Sharmila express her wish? So, Sharmila wants to play tennis, but she doesn't have tennis racket. Then how will she play? So now she's thinking that if I could have a tennis racket, I could play the tennis. Yes. So how will you write it? By using wish plus subject plus past. So first I wish. Next subject is I again. Had a tennis racket. Okay, had a tennis racket. See here, in the question they have given that have, but she doesn't have a tennis racket. Have past tense is had. Yes, have past tense is had. Okay, so this is past. So the next sentence, Mahendra wants to get first rank in the class, but he can't. How could Mahendra express his wish? So Mahendra wanted to get first rank in the class, but he can't. Why he can't? Because he's not getting the first rank. So how will he express his wish? If I could get first rank, like that he'll express, no? So what we have to write here? I wish. Next, what is subject here again? I. Next, what will be? but he can't. She can't. So here in the question they have given as can't. So what is past tense of can? See here we have to make it as positive. So what it is? It's could. Could get first rank. So here again I the subject and could is called as past tense. So this is past. Yes. Please note it down and I will say you in a very brief. So students, have you finished writing this? So in a brief I will explain you how will you write this, okay? See the question very carefully. Sindhu has missed her school bus. She has to go to school urgently. She wishes to have a car. Underline the word have. Underline the word have. So what is the past tense of have? Had. Yes? So here we have written the word. Here we have written the word had. What is the past tense of have? Had. Yes? So again the next second sentence. Anita wants to abolish the system of exams. She wishes to be Prime Minister. How would Anita express her wish? Yes? So she wishes to be the Prime Minister. So underline the word be. What is a be? Past tense where. Be means in the future. Where means in the past. So see, here this is called as past. Next sentence. Sheena's father has a car. He wishes to drive the car. But he doesn't know. Underline the word know. How to drive the car. Underline the word know. K-N-W know. So here, this sentence you can write it in a different way also. How will you write it? I wish I knew how to drive a car. I wish I knew how to drive a car. Here the word knew. K-N-E-W knew is a past tense. K-N-E-W knew is a past tense. Yes. K-N-O-W no. K-N-O-W knew. K-N-O-W knew is a past tense. Yes. Or else you can use I could also. Could is also a past. Yes. I could have a car. I could have known the car. Okay. So the next sentence. Sharmila wants to play tennis, but she doesn't have a tennis racket. Underline the word have here. Doesn't have a tennis racket. So what is the past tense of have? Have. It's had. Yes. So here this is called as past. And the next sentence, Mahendra wants to get first rank in the class, but he can't. Underline the word can't. Underline the word can't. So for can't, what you will express? You have to express in a positive way. That means can. So what is the past tense of can? Could. Yes? So could. Why? Because this is a wish. So you have to express in a positive way only. Yes? You have to express in a positive way. See, now I will express in a very brief. So wish is I wish. So what is subject here? I is the subject. See the question very carefully. Sindhu has missed her school bus. She has to go to school urgently. She wishes to have a car. How would Sindhu express her wish? Why? What Sindhu is doing? Sindhu is expressing her wish. That means her own wish. The Sindhu is expressing the. How will she express? She will express as I only know. So here I will be the subject. By using I, we will complete it in a single sentence. So what is that? I wish plus I is the subject plus past is a had, and what she want to have? A car. Yes, no? A car. So I wish I had a car. She is telling about a car. Yes. What is her wish? To have a car. Yes, right? So I wish I had a car. Yes, I hope you are understanding. If you have any doubts, please we will continue in your Zoom session. You have to ask doubts for me. Okay. But see, by seeing the questions, you have to do this. Otherwise, you will not get to understand. Okay. By see the question very carefully, you can understand very easily. If you are not understanding, again you can ask me in the Zoom session. Okay, in the Zoom classes. Okay, love. Thank you.